Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And just a quick video for you guys today. I thought I'd do a shop update. I've gotten some new things over the last couple weeks that I thought I would share with you guys. Get right in here. So this is something that that I've been putting off for, gosh, way too long. I guess I was getting by without needing a pinning mat. I mean, I have pinning trays and stuff, but yeah, I've had a couple extra bucks, and I figured why not get a pinning mat. So on one of the Facebook groups I'm on, there's a guy, I believe it's Jim. He has a store on Facebook called Lock Sport. What is it now? Hang on. I believe it's Lock Sport Center USA. I'll put a link down below. But he has all kinds of great stuff, from beginner training locks to really high security wicked stuff, and all sorts of stuff in between, hobby related lock sport stuff. So yeah, this one, believe it or not, he threw in for free because of this little cut here. He figured he can't sell this like it is, so he threw it in for free. And this is the one that I was really after. This is the one I bought. Really nice, my favorite brand, pretty much. And it's a mat that you don't see on everyone's table, so I'm kind of like that. About it, and the main thing I really like about it is its size. It's not huge. I don't have a whole lot of real estate here. It's just about a foot wide and 10 inches tall. So yeah, like I said, I don't have a whole lot of room here with my pinning kit on the desk, so it's perfect setup for this desk. Yeah, another thing that I've been putting off for way too long, kind of goes on the same theme. For the longest time, I mean, you guys have seen it, I've been using homemade plug followers, dowel, wooden dowel, and I mean, it's gotten me by, which is probably why I haven't decided to change. I mean, I'm doing fine with it, but again, had a couple extra bucks, so why not get some decent followers and something that I'll enjoy using a bit more, have a bit more, yeah, pride and enjoyment out of using these. And not to mention, Rob won't make fun of my tree branch anymore. So I got the, what is it, the 550, the 500, the 498, and looks like my camera froze. Wow, that was really weird. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but it just froze for like a few seconds. And anyway, I got the small one too. I forget the diameter. This 3... I forget. But the padlock one. And again, on the same sort of theme, this is something I've been wanting ever since I seen the reverse action pinning tweezers. And this came in a set of 3. And they were extremely cheap, and you get what you pay for, of course. These are made in India, probably $4.30 on a Friday, and they're really rough. I think this one's probably the worst. Like, look at that. How would you, I don't know, no pride in manufacturing at all. How would you send that out like that? But I also got a single one. I realized on the picture online that they were a little rough, so I figured I'd kind of hedge my bets and get a single one and hope that one of the 2 straight ones were, you know what I mean, workable. And I've kind of put a little bit of work. These were quite a bit uglier when I first got them, and I'll probably do a bit more work on them to make them a bit nicer. But I put my groove in it, and I mean, they work great. It's just they don't look too pretty. But I guess, I mean, if they work, that's all you can ask for, right? I will say these, if you do decide to get these take some friggin' getting used to after using these regular ones, push to close, and these ones push to open. It's weird. It takes a while for your brain to figure out how to use them, because it's so ingrained in you to push to close instead of push to open. So it takes a bit of getting used to, but I think I like them. I think I'll get used to them, and I think I'll probably like them. I think that's pretty much it for the lock related stuff. But I also got this big ass hammer here. I've been needing a bigger hammer for a while, and figured I'd get a cross peen. Not sure that I'll ever use the cross side of it, but if I need it, it's there. And yeah, 35 ounces. Pretty heavy hammer. And last, I believe, certainly not least, I got this cool engraver here. Again, from Princess Auto, like the tweezers and the hammer. And this is a pretty nice one. It has really, really good reviews, and it was on sale for $9. So I figured, well, why the hell not? I'll try it out, see how it works. I have to say though, these things are loud as hell. Yeah, don't be expecting that these things are quiet. They're, wow, really, really loud. It's like a electromagnet, but it's way louder than a tattoo gun or a pair of clippers or any other electromagnet you might be used to. But it's small. Haven't used it yet. I'll maybe do an update on it once I try it out. But nice carbide tip. And like I said, it has really, really good reviews, so figured why the hell not? $9, I can't argue with that, even if it ends up that it doesn't work that great. I think that's about it. I'm looking around here. Yeah, I haven't gotten any new locks in recently, but I have one on its way, and I'll share that with you guys as soon as it comes. And it's a pretty special lock, something I'm really, really happy to gonna be really happy to have in my collection. It's a really special lock to me. But yeah, I'm still here. It's been a little busy lately. That's probably why I haven't gotten a video out, but I'm still here. I'm gonna keep making videos, and now that I got this update out of the way, I'm going to I got a couple locks that I'm thinking about picking next. I might do this Russ one now that I have the, I mean, I could have gutted it without the follower, but now that I have the 550 follower, I want to use it. So I took out this Russ one here and this Corbin Russ one. So, and I have not picked this yet, so that'll maybe be fun to do on video. I gotta get a key for this keyway. This is LWR, yeah, or it's not a Silca, but it's, yeah, C4 reversed. Anyways, so keep an eye out for that, and I have some other cooler stuff coming up too. So as always, guys, I appreciate everyone's support, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everyone.